Matrices, no, it's a little bit easier than the linear programming. Matrices consists of numbers in brackets. That's all it is. It's kind of like numbers grouped together. So two matrices are equal if all parts are equal. So if you look at these two, it starts with 2, 6, 1, 0, 5, 3. So it looks good. It looks like they're equal. So down here, it tells me that these two are equal, and I want to solve for x, y, and z. So if these two are equal, that means this part is equal to this part. The corresponding parts are equal. So x plus 3 equals 6, which means x equals 3. Same with y. This part and this part are equal, so y is just equal to -1. And the last part, 4 and z minus 3 are going to be equal. So 4 equals z minus 3, and I get 7 is equal to z. Adding and subtracting, and just adding corresponding parts. So you're going to do 5 plus -11, -6. 2 plus 0. 4 plus 7, 9 plus 1, 10 plus -6, and -6, or -3 plus -8. Same thing with minusing. So you're just 7 minus -3 gives me 10. Careful of that minus negative. 3 minus 0 gives me 3. Just be careful of your double negatives. Scalar multiplication, you're just kind of distributing to everything in there. So it's like 2 times 5 gives me 10. 2 times -2 gives me -4. 2 times 0 and 2 times 6. So in this one, what does k have to be so that 2 becomes 6, and 3 becomes 9, and 5 becomes 15? Well, that would be 3. Because 3 times 2 gives me 6. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Now solving these things, you can kind of set up your own kind of equation. So we have 2x, and then minus my top number, which is 6, is going to be equal to 5. So that when I solve this thing, I got 2x equals 11, x equals 5.5. Same thing for y. 2 times 2 minus y equals 3. Just follow the bottom there. So I have 4 minus y equals 3. Y equals 1. One more here. So the matrix for x and y. So I'm just looking at the x part. So I'm looking at this top corner. So it's 2 times -x minus -9 equals 4. So I have -2x plus 9 equals 4. So I got -2x equals -5. I get x equals 2.5. Second one is y. So that's right below the x, the bottom part. So I have 2 times 6 minus -4y is going to give me 16. 12 plus 4y equals 16. 4y equals 4, which gives me y equals 1.